Hello everyone, right, this is the Mini. This is my 2010 1.6 diesel. She's done 100,000 odd miles. Not sure exactly because she's been off the road for about 7 months. So what is I used her as a run around to go up and down to Glasgow, and basically replaced it with another car. So at the moment she's needing to get some work done to her. New tyres, I think new shock absorber needing done. The clutch is away in it, the battery is away in it. The chrome I've taken off the now because you can see here the lacquer has been peeling all the way off the car. This has gradually been happening, it's just gradually getting worse. So I'm looking for ideas on what to do, whether to spray it or wrap it. At the moment we've got some tools lying in there. So I've got a battery in there which is gubbed or knackered. I've got a clutch hose that I need to replace, which is down in here, so I'll be showing you how to do all that. I've got that here with me already. I'll show you the clutch cable or the clutch pedal itself. So just now, that's the clutch. Right, there's, so you can push down there, and that's not what's supposed to happen. So there's no clutch pressure. At the moment the battery's disconnected, as you can see, but this is it. She's needing a bit of a clean up as well. I don't know if you can see some of the crap, so it is needing a good clean. So at the moment I've got some flat tyres, just because it's been sitting so long. The pipe that was on about goes in under here, so we'll get that sorted out and I'll get to show you a bit more of that. What else? When she was stuck up, we had a stuck caliper, so I've got this fixed already, but like I said, it's not been moving for about 7 months, so we need to get that sorted out. But yeah, that's it. Excuse my throat, I'm just coming down with a cold. I get rid of it, one of the two. But yeah, hopefully you get to enjoy this as much as I do, and we'll see what we can get sorted out with it. So like and follow, see what we can get sorted out.